Just imagine a world where your digital life leaps off the screen and into your living room, creating a seamless blend of virtual and physical reality. And today, we're peering into the future, the Apple's latest marvel, Apple Vision Pro. Before we start the video, I wanted to say that the Apple Vision Pro isn't just an evolution in tech. It's a revolution. This spatial computing wonder is poised to transform how we experience the digital realm. With Apple Vision Pro, the future is here, and it's more immersive than ever. Let's talk about the physical aesthetics. Crafted with an exquisitely formed piece of laminated glass, hugged by a sleek aluminum frame, Apple Vision Pro is as much a piece of art as it is a technological powerhouse. We'll explore its comfort-focused design from the modular strap system to the ultralight build, making extended wear a breeze. Alright, let's delve into the specs. Underneath its stunning exterior, Apple Vision Pro is powered by a dual chip design, fusing Apple's M2 chip with the new ultra-fast R1 sensor processor. Micro OLED display boasts an eye-watering resolution that rivals a 4K TV for each eye. Let's talk about the interface. Vision OS redefines interaction with a spatial operating system that's intuitive and groundbreaking. The navigation is eyes-driven. Simply look to select. We'll look at how the Vision Pro turns mundane tasks like browsing the internet into a spectacle. Now we'll talk about the apps and use cases. The boundary between your digital activity and living space dissolves with Vision Pro. Whether it's turning a room into a serene workspace or a panoramic photo gallery, the possibilities are endless. Now let's get to the audio and camera features, but before we start, remember to like the video and subscribe the channel if you like this video. Apple Vision Pro's spatial audio envelopes you, while its 3D camera captures life with depth and clarity. With effortless integration and connectivity, we'll see how it meshes with existing Apple products, amplifying your Mac or iPhone experience into something grander, larger than life. Now it's time for social aspects. Apple Vision Pro isn't just a solo journey, it's a social one too. There are lots of ways to interact, making conversation and collaboration more impactful and engaging. Practicality and accessibility. Okay, let's talk about the lifespan of Vision Pro, battery life, durability, and how Apple continues its commitment to accessibility. We have to wait to see what Apple has done to ensure this leading-edge device is as practical as its pioneering. And so the area of spatial computing becomes. With the Apple Vision Pro, we're not just moving forward, we're stepping into a new dimension. This is Tech Bryce, signing off. Embrace the future today. But hey, are we really ready for this? You tell me in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to my channel Tech by Sam Brightstar, and I'll see you in the next video.